My friend, go and sit down. You don't know anything.
Let's go and ask him.
You should go and ask him. Good day, sir.
Bless you, my son.
Pastor.
Bless you.
Pastor, well done.
I hope everything is okay.
Everything's supposed to be okay.
What is the matter?
Don't be angry. Is this question I want to ask you?
Go ahead, fire me.
If you want to roll, how do you say it?
You mean Pishin 2? You want to do Pishin 2?
Pastor, if you want to pipe,
Pep.
how do you say it?
I'm a pastor. I don't do plumbing work.
She mean if you want to kobos. You want to kobos.
Is that another step of dancing?
Oh, Pastor, if you want to fuck, how do you say it?
Yeah, I will answer the question anyway. Am I a human being?
You are supposed to be a human being.
Very good. Now the Bible said when you are married, you have the liberty, you have the enthusiasm, you have every right. I don't listen to what I'm trying to say. What did you call it just now?
Bro,
What did you call it again?
Kobos.
Kobozu.
pipe.
Piping. What did you call it again? Megbeswegbe. I heard somebody say Pishin 2.
Pishin 2.
Good. When she bites me, wherever she may be,
To maybe.
I don't waste my time. I summon her. Tago.
Golindo.
My daughter is something you should do when you are free. Anyhow you call it, it doesn't matter so long you get to where you are going to. Yes, I already have 500 million in that account. Transfer it to the next account. Okay, thank you very much. Alright. Bossu! You know you are my blood. I cannot lose guard you.
You have super matter on that carpet.
God forbid. If any update comes, I will give it to you. You are my own. If there's any FMT, if there's any format in the street, I will give it to you. Before I send money to my family, I will send money to your family too. I cannot shut down any club if you are not there. I cannot smoke SK if you are not there.
But I can't be smoking SK every time now.
Bloodline, you are my blood.
The blood have dried though.
I cannot lose guard you. When money comes through, we'll tactically share it.
You have not credited me once.
You know what? Just give me your answer. I'll give it to clients. If client is paying, they will pay directly to your answer. You know what I'm saying now? You are my bloodline.
You already have my details since how many years now?
You are my own. I cannot lose guard you. I'll look for a way to reach you.
But I don't have phone.
Okay. You don't have phone. All these ones I'm using them. Hey, all these ones they are for business. I'll see what I can do. Che! Bossu!
Please.
Che!
This is super story.
Good morning.
Good morning. But as you can see, I'm sitting down here.
And so I should not sweep. Later you say I'm a dirty woman.
No wahala. Sleep in my body. Enjoy yourself.
Pastor,
My daughter.
good morning.
Bless you, my daughter. Hey, school better. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, where's your husband? Papa Ojo. Papa Ojo.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Exactly.
You people were not in the last fellowship, so I came to check up on you.
Ask her.
Yes, we went for family meeting.
Oh, you went to family meeting. I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, fine though.
Hello. Everything was supposed to be okay. For her, everything is okay. For me, everything is not okay. The way she greeted you just now, hope it was fine.
Definitely.
Okay. My wife here, she will never greet me like that. She will always call me Papa this, Papa that, Papa Ojo, Mama Iguana, the other one. Sweet names will never allow her to call me.
My daughter, is that true?
It's true, Daddy.
That is very wrong. Tactically, man is the head of the family. That is what the Bible says.
Okay.
If you kneel down to greet me, lie down to greet your husband.
Okay.
That is the way things ought to be done.
Okay.
Call him sweet name.
Okay.
My daughter, please change.
Okay, Daddy.
Papa Ojo, she will change from now on.
Chameleon.
My daughter, please change.
I will.
Thank you. Please, those one you greeted me for, retweet them to me.
Ah, my husband, honey, sugar pie.
Okay.
Good morning.
Very good.
Papa Ojo.
Now I'm enjoying the dividend of marriage, to you understand.